PP200 Ignitor HA1000 HSI Reddy Desa Master Kerosene Heater. Fits heater model nose. Reddy heater, R35B, R35E, R40, R40T, R55A, R55B, R55BT, R60, R70D, R70ET, R70DT, R110B, R110BT, R110C, R110CT, R115, R115C, R115CT, R115T, R155B, R155C, R165A, R165AT, R165CT, R208, R200AT, R200B, RC40, RC55T, RC70T, RC115CT, RC115T, RC165CT, RC165T, RH125T, RH170T, RH200T, RHD125T, RHD170T, RHD200T, RL125T, RL170T, RH200T, RM60, RM115, RM115C, RM115CT, RM155, RM155C, RM200AT, and RM200BT. Master, B50H, B50J, B55, B55BT, B60, B70D, B70DT, B110B, B110BT, B115, B115CT, B115T, B150J, B150JT, B155CT, B155T, B165A, B165AT, B165CT, B200AT, B200BT, BC40, BC55T, BC70T, BC115CT, BC165CT, BC165T, M125T, M170T, NM200T Remington, RAM35B, RAM35C, RAM40, RAM50C, RAM55A, RAM55B, RAM60, RAM110B, RAM110BT, RAM115, RAM115C, RAM115T, RAM150, RAM155B, RAM155C, RAM200AT, RAM200BT, RA125T, RA170T, and RE200T and many more. Fits too many models to list. The igniter element is very brittle. Do not bend or strike igniter element or it could break. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.